Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make a CRM in Google Sheets. So a CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management, is basically a system to keep track of all your leads, clients and deals in one place. So let's build a simple one from scratch. First, let's set up the headers across the top row. I will type in contact name in column A, company in column B, email in column C, phone in column D, deal stage in column E, and deal value in column F. Last, contact date in column G. Also, you can type in notes in column H. Now let's make the daily stage column a drop down so it's easy to update. So select the cells under deal stage, go to data, click data validation, click add rule. Now name your options. So I will select the stages as options like lead. Another one could be contacted. Click add another item and name it something like proposal sent. Then you can add another item and add an option like negotiating. Add another one like closed. Now you can click advanced option, scroll down and choose the display style, whether you want them to be chip, arrow or plain text. So I will enter plain text. Now choose the colors for these. I will choose the colors for these like light purple for lead, contacted for this one, proposal sent for this one, negotiating for this, and closed as green. I'll click done. Now I'll also select the area in which I want the whole CRM to be. Click on this and choose borders, then select this one. This will apply an outer border to it. Now we have our deal stage column set up. If anyone double clicks here, they can select any stage on which the contact is on. So you double click and choose whatever stage the deal is on. Now you can select the header row, make them bold, increase their size, and also make sure you increase the width of the notes column. Now we'll enter our contact name just like this. Then you can type in their company name, their email in this, their phone number in these fields. After this, you'll have to click on deal stage, double click it and choose at what stage the deal is on. Then you can enter the deal value. Also, we can select the contact date column, that is all the cells under contact date. Go to format, choose number and choose date. Now anyone can enter any date that they want. Also, they can add notes about this deal. To make it look even better, you can select all this, click on background color, then select a light color. Select the headings again, choose background and make them little bit darker. Also, you can select the whole area, then click on format, choose convert to table. After you do this, it will be converted to a table, but you won't see any lining between this. If you want the linings, just select all this, click on the borders option and select all borders. After you do this, you will have your CRM ready. Then you can easily go ahead and start filling in your contacts and deals. Finally, to make searching through your contact easier, you can click on this drop down under your contact name because we turned it to a table. You can click on filter column, then search for a contact by the name. For example, I can type in John and it will show up that contact just right here. And if I click OK, only John will be shown with their company's name, email, phone, deal stage, deal value, and everything just right here. Now you can click on filter again, choose to clear their filter, and click on select all 6, hit enter, and every deal will be visible. So that's how you make a CRM in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.